So I just wanted to record this before this gets altered and changed, or before they edit out the coughing. When Elder Taniela Wakolo spoke in conference, this is the original video.
Isaiah prophesied that in the latter days the earth also is defiled because they have changed the ordinance. A related warning revealed to the prophet Joseph Smith was that some draw near to the Lord with their lips. They teach for doctrines the commandments of man, having a form of godliness, but they deny the power thereof. Paul also warned that many would have a form of godliness, but deny the power thereof. From such, turn away. I repeat, from such, turn away. The many distractions and temptations of life are like ravening wolves. It is the true shepherd who will prepare, protect, and warn the sheep and the flock when these wolves are approaching. As under shepherds who seek to emulate the perfect life of the good shepherd, aren't we shepherds of our own soul as well as of others? With the counsel of prophets, seers, and revelators whom we just sustained, and with the power and gift of the Holy Ghost, we can see the wolves coming if we are watchful and prepared. In contrast, when we are a casual shepherd of our own soul and other souls, casualties are likely. Casualness leads to casualties. I invite us to each be a faithful shepherd.
Well, that cough was an indictment. It's the same cough that I've heard in the temple after exercising the priesthood. That was a cough from behind.